The MP635B has a driver set that pushes the nails out.
When you face issues with nailing,
It's possible that your driver set is damaged. The following are the steps to replace the driver set. Step 1. Remove screw from your exhaust cover. Step 2. Remove the cylinder from inside, then take out the driver set. If the driver set is damaged, replace the driver set with a new one. Step 3. Brush the inside of the O-ring and cylinder with lubricant. Finally, put the cylinder back into the body and tighten the screws of the exhaust cover. Load the nails, connect the air holes, and test fire to check if the replacement was successful. Here are the steps to replace the driver set on your MP635B pin nailer.